Hi love, join me as I make this egusi soup with an empty stomach. My stomach was kicking me. At this point, I was very hungry. So I thought of what to eat. I said, oh, let me think of the simplest and the quickest soup. And the only thing that came to my mind was egusi soup. So inside the pot, I have beef, small dry fish, and stockfish. I've already steamed it. It's already steaming, sorry. I added salt and a cube of seasoning. And then it's boiled. So this is the egusi I'll be using for the soup. I actually blended the egusi with crayfish. I blended the two together. I'll then mix with the juice from the meat because at this point I don't have strength to boil separate water. This is what hungry stomach can cause. Don't blame me, Biko. So I collected the juice and I started mixing. I mixed the essence why I used hot water is because I don't want it to look, not that kind of egusi that doesn't look attractive. I want it to give me a lumpy look, you get? Even though at some point I made a mistake because of the hunger. You see what hunger can make you do things, My guy, wait and see what I did though. I added water, and instead of me to wait for the water to boil before introducing my egusi, I did not, because of hungry was just peppering me, dragging all the intestine, the small and the large intestine. So I had to start adding it because I could not wait. Impatience, you see what impatience can cause. So I added the egusi at this point. But my dear, wait for the water to boil before you add the egusi, or else you get a different result. So wait and see what will happen because I did not wait for my water to boil. I cover after introducing it like this. I was using the spoon, but it was not giving what I had to use my hand to introduce it. Please, I needed something to be very fast because the tummy was really kicking. After everything, I had to cover, allow it to cook. Come back after 5 minutes to check on it because the mama is very hungry, and at this point it's boiling. I say, hey, this soup, what's in the happen? I stirred a bit because I need to check on the lumpiness, because let me see how lumpy the soup is. It's a bit lumpy, see, but if I had allowed the water to boil before adding egusi, it would have given me a reasonable lumpy look, not lumpy like this. So when making egusi, allow the water to boil before adding the egusi. Whatever you be using, whether you be using steamed meat, fish, or ordinary water, allow it to boil before introducing your egusi, or else it will give you something like this. So learn from me, or learn from this mistake. So if not that, woman gas chop now. So I stared to see, my egusi, where's my lumpy look? Lumpy look was nowhere to be seen, but though little lumpy, let's manage. So I introduced the next ingredients, which is palm oil. I was still stirring, and the next ingredients is fresh pepper. I blended fresh pepper, and this can use any pepper of your choice too. I allow it to boil. Come back after some minutes, and this is it. I stirred, and I was like, okay, now my dear, let me seize this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers, both new and old. So you watching this video till now, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you. This is for you. Even though the soup is not looking the way I want, but still I'll still bring it to your doorstep. So this is the vegetable I'll be using. This is bitter leaf and uziza leaf. Yeah, just a little of uziza and bitter leaf. So I'll remove it from the water, then introduce it inside the pot, then I will start stirring. Let's continue from where I stopped. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. To you watching this video, thank you so much. And you contemplate whether to subscribe or not, please do well and subscribe, because on this channel I bring you cooking videos, family drama, vlogs, entertainment, anything that is premium. That is what we bring to your table. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Though I had to stir. I test for salt to see how far now. The test was okay. After some minutes, I bring it down. I brought the soup down. I had to introduce the fufu I'm using for the soup, and after some minutes, It was ready. Look at the outcome of the soup. See the outcome. Oh. Though it did not give me the lumpy look I really wanted, but then the taste was something else. So forget the look and concentrate on the taste. So if you're still contemplating whether to subscribe to this channel or not, you see the soup is coming right to your doorstep. Don't ask me why, because it gas convince you to subscribe. So at this point we are done. I had to call my little baby. My baby was with me and she was like, she's hungry. I said, okay, don't worry, mama is coming. Let me unwrap the fufu. So after unwrapping the fufu, I had to unwrap one after the other before we start dissecting. Trust me now, don't ask me, is it only me that will finish this 5 wrap? No, we are more than 2. More people will be joining soon, but for now I can't wait. Let's start dissecting because the stomach is already kicking. So who is ready? Who is ready? Come over with your spoon, with your fork, with your hand, with your wedged hand. Though, come over, let's start dissecting it. Let's start dissecting the food because it's about to go down. Thank you so much for watching. See me now. The first one that entered, I was like, and the smoke was like, welcome food. We've been waiting for you for a very long time. Thank you so much for watching. Do well and like, comment, subscribe, share.